Hello guys, welcome. Today in this video we will learn how to install XAMPP server on Windows 11. So let's start. So first we will go to this Chrome and search here for XAMPP and hit enter. Now we will click on this downloads. Now from here you can download the different versions of XAMPP. So it is by PHP, so this is PHP 8.0.25, but we will download the latest version, which is 8.2. so we'll download this. My window machine is 64-bit, so I'll download 64-bit. Now the download started, you can see it right here. Now it will take some time, so until then I will pause the video. So now XAMPP server is downloaded, so I'll click on this and show in folder. So it will take us to the directory where it is downloaded, so it is right here. So now I'll right click on this and open this. So here click OK and now click next. So from here I will click next. Make sure that these are checked and click next and next and next and next. And now it will take some time to install all the packages. Now here I will allow this. Now I will finish this and it will launch the control panel. So now the control panel is we have Apache and MySQL. Inside this we have FileZilla, Mercury and Tomcat, but we are interested in this first two. So I'll start this Apache as well as I'll start this MySQL. I'll allow this. Now both of them are started. So now I'll go here and search here local host and hit enter. Now it will open the dashboard of Apache XAMPP. Now this is PHP admin, which is actually MySQL database. If I click on this, so it will take us to MySQL database. We have these default databases inside this, and we can create new databases with this new. And here I can give the database name and then create, and it will create the database. So this was the installation of XAMPP server on Windows 11. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.